Residents of Wees Road in Bull Bay are rejecting a proposal for relocation to St. Thomas. The people who are still trying to pick up the pieces after the heavy recent rains say they prefer to remain in the community. Kirk Wright has the latest in this primetime news follow-up.
It's close to a month now since the Chalky River overflowed its banks, washing out homes and deposited tons of silt in others on Wees Road in Bull Bay, St. Andrew. The residents say that only happened because the authorities weren't regularly removing the built-up of dirt constantly washed down into the gully. Now, the changes are stark since heavy-duty equipment have been working there daily. A path to channel the water to the sea is now evident. They have backed up the dirt along the riverbank, making it harder for any flooding to take place when it rains. Still, the government is pushing ahead with plans to relocate the residents.
So far, we're looking about some land. We're getting some in St. Thomas and Rest 7 along the hillside, and it goes out to Cane River. When you go Rest 7 Hill, it carries back to Cane River. So we are seeking those land, and we are trying our best to get that ready for them.
We pressed the councillor, Celia James, to ascertain exactly what the residents will get.
They get in land or they get in house?
Well, so far I can't tell if them getting house as yet, but most likely I think the government would help them with the house because these people place smash up, and I don't really think they have money now to even start back. Because after losing everything, we know we have to put in something in place for them. Housing structure or something have to put in place.
We're talking about wooden house or board.
Well, I couldn't tell you that. Tell you the truth, I couldn't tell you if it's wood or concrete, but something have to be done.
The residents aren't pleased at all.
Me not depend that. Me not depend that. Me not going before, so me stay right here. Me not got no friendship book round at one part. You know how much money the people them stay a 9 miles. Sometimes hours them come from town, hours them down a 9 miles for them get something go. And the road not there so.
Oh no, I am living here from 1980. And a big woman like me to go and relocate, to build over after me take all of my little money and build here, sir. No, sir, the money when I go use to go build up there, sir. Might as well me use it and build the rewire the grind.
Henrietta Rawl would relocate, but
they're talking about relocation. I don't know the relocation. I just want them to value my place and pay me. I'll be on my own, no problem.
What if they say, what if they don't value your house and pay you for it, but they're finding somewhere else for you to stay and they're giving you a house? Would you go there? Would you relocate?
Depends on what sort of house, because I have a good house that have value and I would not give it up for an inferior house.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.